Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a review of the Stinku GS201 gaming headset. Now as you see the title of the video, this is the worst headset I've ever tried. Now first of all, pretty much everything is in Chinese. The box looks really nice. It was wrapped in plastic, I already took it off. But like pretty much everything is in Chinese. I had to use my Google translating camera feature to be able to read most of it, but it kind of sucks. Let's get into it. So it comes with the user manual, but there's literally little to no instructions on here. It literally has how to do the microphone on and off, and then the volume, and then how to plug it in, and what it comes with, and cautions. Now their support team is really slacking. I've already contacted them about this problem, but no one has responded, and I'm not getting a refund on this product. So I was hoping to do this in a new video that I'm thinking of wanting to do, but it doesn't work, so I'll get into that in a minute. Wrapped. So the headset itself looks actually pretty decent. I believe right here is where the red glows, and you have branding right here. So the headset itself looks really nice. Build quality. I feel like if I put more tension doing this, swiveling, it would snap for sure. So that's not good. Very cheap plastic. You got branding on top. The padding on the ear cuffs is exceptional. The top is not good at all. It's basically just gonna hit the top of the plastic and it's gonna be nothing. It does have an adjustable headband up to 5 levels, so this isn't really gonna fit most people. As for the headset itself, when you put it on, it feels so basically when you have your ear or your head touching this, it just moves off to the right and it feels like this. So it's going to be angled like this, and it's going to have a ton of leakage. So I don't like that at all. It's a microphone option where you turn on and off the mic. I don't like it at all as well. It does have a detachable microphone and it goes right here. I already tested out the microphone. Oh wait, actually it doesn't even work. I can't even find it. It's somewhere in my room, but anyways, the detachable microphone looks basically like that. This part does not glow, it's just a solid red. I think this part is the only part that glows without the headset. So as a USB port, literally that's how it goes. So the lights itself is very subtle. Can't really, I mean, it's decent. It's very subtle though. Just 3 split ends and they get tangled really quickly. You see that? That doesn't make any sense because I plugged in the headset and I could only hear sound, and then if I plug in the microphone, it doesn't even work at all. And I tried everything within the settings, within the app. It doesn't work on PC, Xbox, PS4, Xbox 360. It doesn't work on anything, not even mobile at all. And you could pretty much see the speaker drive right here. Yeah, this is the worst headset I've ever tried. Do not buy it. They buy the reviews on Amazon to make it look legit, but in reality, all of them are pretty much fake. So don't believe it. It has like 200 reviews. They bought them all. So I'll leave a link in the description for a better headset, which I've tested and recommend. It is the SteelSeries Arctis 1, and I'll also leave a link in the description for the SteelSeries Arctis 7, which is also a really good headset. You can get the wireless or wired. Both are really good. I recommend the wireless if you really don't like wires, because it does have a really good battery life, and then wired if you just don't care about charging and you don't care about anything and you want to save a little bit more money, then get the wired one. But this, I would break it. Honestly, I would break it and just throw it in the trash, but I want my money back, so I'm gonna have to return this. I barely do negative reviews on my channel, but if there ever is one, I will definitely be honest about it. I am honest about it, but this, I am just, even if they wanted to sponsor this video, I'm not trying to sell anybody this headset. This headset's just garbage. This video doesn't even deserve that much editing or time to be spent on, other than the recording process. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. And I do honest reviews every single video. Thank you guys for watching.